Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to get the Warzone ranked play skin for Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and this is obviously for OG Warzone, so the one that just came out. And all you have to do is just make your way over to challenges and rewards and rank rewards. So you see it does say reach, you have to obviously have to be gold or higher to get the skin. And once you get basically once you reach gold, or let's just say once you reach plat or diamond, you will instantly unlock the skin. So if you want to go ahead and equip it, you can just go over to operators and then go over to BO6. Make sure you're under BO6 and then click on one of the two, hit R, customize, and then this will be your skin, the Warzone Gold competitor skin. I believe there is one for, I'm not sure if there's one for away or whatever this one is, but I know there's one for this one right here. And this is the skin. This is what it looks like for Warzone. And yeah, that's about it basically. Again, you want to go over to challenges and rewards, rank rewards, and then once you reach this rank, you will automatically get it. Sorry, in previous seasons, you had to be like, what's it called? You had to be like, you had to wait for the season to end, and whatever rank you were, you would only get that skin, I believe. But now, as soon as you reach that rank, you'll be able to unlock it. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how to unlock the skin. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.